Hi guys, need to show you here how they extend the parking lot. They did concrete returning wall, but you can see there's no weep holes, there's no expansion joint on the concrete returning wall. There's no expansion joint between existing concrete and the new concrete. Okay guys, and they did the marking for the parking lots. They did softener at the top. There's control joint here, control joint there. They did control joint each like 25 foot, but there is no expansion joint. They did control joint here on driveway. Yeah, they missed the weep holes, they missed the expansion joints for returning wall and driveway. Thank you guys, bye.